Hi guys, what is going on? Welcome to the Print Haven. My name is Enny, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the top 5 gadget products that you can start selling for your print on demand store. We will be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see right here in my hand, I'm holding the smart wallet. The smart wallet is an extremely powerful product. But before we go into all that, right? I'm going to be showing you the top 5 gadget products that you can use for your print on demand here in Nigeria today. But before we go into all that, obviously smart wallet has me excited, but remember to subscribe, remember to like our video, and of course turn on the notification bell so that anytime we do special videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's start revealing the top 5 products you can use to start your own print on demand business today with gadgets, right? So the first gadget product for print on demand is the smart wallet. This smart wallet can be personalized just as we put Google on it right here, as you can see. We also, when you open up the smart wallet, you have place for cards. You have the place for your cards. You have the place for your wallet slots here for like money and stuff. But the most important thing for me to show you guys in this smart wallet is how it is a wireless charging smart wallet, and it also comes with multi cables for you to be able to charge any phone. So you can literally be on the street and have a low battery and you don't have a power bank and you have just the smart wallet, and it's absolutely amazing, right? If you put this on your Instagram page, you put it out there on your website and you run traffic to it and you want to see sales from it, you're definitely going to make sales. It doesn't matter what part of the country you are, what part of the world you are in, the smart wallet is a great sell, and I actually advise that you should start selling this in your print on demand store today. All right, moving on to the next product. This one is the multi-cable. The LED light up multi-cable is absolutely amazing for your print on demand store, because if you want to sell something in mass volume, you want to make a lot of money from selling stuff in mass volume, and you're in the gadget niche in your print on demand, you should go with this particular product because this is really affordable for you to purchase. It really has a good value because people are going to be able to personalize their names, their nicknames, their logo right here, and they'll be able to charge 3 different devices at the same time using this multi-cable. I'm just quickly going to show you how this multi-cable works and why I'm so excited about it. So if you want to sell this, remember, the only way to sell stuff like this is for you to actually have another upsell in your print on demand store or your print on demand business. So a great upsell for the USB cable is going to be a power bank, right? If you're selling this and this, they just go together. Like this is a power bank, this is a cord, and you can personalize both of them, right? This also comes with a wireless charging cable, just like the smart wallet. So now you're seeing why I'm excited, right? So I'm just going to switch this on so that you guys can see it. As you can see right here, the LED is already turned on. I'm just going to plug this in so that you guys can also see the LED from here as well. And as you can see, it lights up right here, and this lights up right here as well. It's perfect for you to sell on any print on demand store. I don't know where you are in the world watching this video right now, but if you've been looking for the perfect thing to sell, if you've been looking for the best thing for you to put on your print on demand store that's going to make you money, think the Print Haven, think personalized gadgets, think these USB cable and this power bank right here. So moving forward, I'm going to be showing you number 4. So now this is one of them. I love this particular one because headphones are killing it right now. Headphones are killing it right now, especially if you're selling them online. So a lot of people love music. A lot of people love to listen to their music and stuff like that. If you can target those people, they are passionate about it, they're going to actually buy it. But when you tell them that their speakers come personalized, it's going to be even what they are wow even more, right? So let me just quickly show you the product. Here's the product. This headset is personalized right here. As you can see, you can write your name, you can write anyone's logo right here, and we're gonna do it for you here in the Print Haven. So if you're thinking, oh, where do I get these products for my print on demand store? Look nowhere else but the Print Haven by KFA. We're gonna help you to brand the products. We're gonna help you ship it out. All you have to do is send us your design and of course send us the money, and then we'll be able to deliver that to you, and you can start your print on demand business from the comfort of your home. I'm quickly just going to switch on these LED lights right here so that you guys can see how beautiful this particular headset is and how well this is going to appeal to your customers, right? So remember to contact the Print Haven as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, and obviously if you're enjoying this video and you really love this video, you should hit that subscribe button right now, and hit the notification bell so that anytime we make videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. I know you've already liked that video. If you've not liked the video, tell me why, right? So now let's move forward to the final product. I've shown you 4 products. The final one is the Bluetooth wireless speaker, right? Wireless Bluetooth speaker. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome, right? So it's a speaker, but it also charges your phone wirelessly. I'm just going to bring it out from the carton here. The reason why I want to show you this is because unlike other products, these are unique Gadget products, right? These are unique products that will sell as gadgets for your print on demand store. So you want to use a gadget like this and put it up in your store and tell people they can personalize what you see here. I'm just going to switch it on so that you understand how beautiful this is. And as you can hear the little sound from there, it sounds absolutely amazing. I wish I had my phone here so I could connect so that you could listen to how beautiful the speakers come out. But if you're the type of person that loves to Netflix and chill, this product is suitable for you, and you should put it in your print on demand store, especially if you have followers or people that are into movies and stuff like that. This is ultimate product. It's the ultimate product for your print on demand gadget store. So that being said, this has been an awesome video. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to our channel. Remember, the Print Haven is your preferred print on demand company. We also do promotional gifts, and we also do personalized items as well. Until next time, take care of yourself, and bye-bye.